Level 1, Hello World. Today we will create the essential first program. It is customary when learning a new programming language and getting started as a programmer to start with a program called Hello World. This program is the bare minimum of what a program is. So we're going to start off with that. So first thing you're going to want to do is open Visual Studio. I opened it. I have Visual Studio 2017. I chose the dark mode, so that's just my preference. Honestly, the reason is because a lot of times I'm working on programs at night, and the bright screen when I'm sitting in a dark room bothers me. So when I work on a dark screen, honestly, it doesn't bother my wife when I'm doing that in bed while she's sleeping. She doesn't notice as much. So we're going to go ahead and start with a new project. And you can use Visual Studio on a lot of different machines. This is a very small machine. I'm using a two-in-one laptop, so it's not very fast. So if you got to wait on me, I'm sorry. But that's kind of the cool thing about learning programming is that you're not limited by what you have. So the first thing you're going to see is when you create a new project, we have installed, we've got templates. What we're going to do is we're going to go to Visual C++. There's Visual C Sharp. C Sharp is when it has that number or a hashtag sign, right? There's Visual Basic. Visual C Sharp is what we're working on here. I had somebody ask me about C hash, one of my students, but C Sharp is this one. And so before you learn C Sharp, I suggest learning C++. And so we're going to jump on here. I have empty projects. We're going to do a console application. Now, a console application is a very specific type of application that might seem weird to be creating in 2017, but that's what we're going to start with. The reason is because it allows us to not worry about a lot of the things that we get distracted by. I'm going to name it, let's name it Hello World.